So, guys, I want to ask you one question. One simple question. One simple thing. I want you to take your salary. Take your salary and convert your salary into dollars. After doing that, whatever amount you get, whether you get 50,000 rand a month, whether you get 5,000, 10,000, I want you to take your salary and I want you to convert your salary into dollars. After doing that, I want you to tell me, are you happy? Is that how you want to continue living your life? And for some people, if they convert their salary to dollars, they might be happy because it's still something. For some, they'll be like, yeah, no, fuck that shit. I need to level up in life. I need to set myself goals. I need to set myself standards. Because they say you're not getting paid unless you're getting paid in dollars. So that's one thing I want you guys to do. Whether you're at work, whether you're watching this in the taxi, whatever the vibe may be, just take your salary, convert it into dollars. And then, answer you find, ask yourself, is that how you want to live for the rest of your life? Simple. In and out, just be that.